Hello everyone, it's Neil from Lancaster Automart. We've got this stunning 2017 Daytona Grey Pearlescent Effect Audi Q3. It's a 2-litre TFSI Black Edition Tronic Quattro. It's currently at 50,413 miles and it is a petrol automatic with a full dealership service history. Really nice looking thing. I feel like it will get a lot of attention. We'll start off with the alloy wheels like we normally do. It's got the 19-inch 10Y spoke design alloy wheels in the gloss black high sheen finish. Really nice looking alloys all the way around the vehicle. There's the third ones and there's the fourth ones. Not only that, it comes with the privacy glass at the rear side window and at the tailgate with the satin black roof rails, auto dimming rear view mirrors and the all-weather LED headlights with the heated windscreen with washer jets. Also includes the S-Line sport suspension with the powered tailgate and front and rear parking sensors, which I'll show you once I step inside the vehicle. As you can see, it's got the suede interior with the child protection, electronic windows, electronic adjustable wind mirrors with the heated mechanism and folding mechanism. Not only that, it comes with the storage compartment, powered tailgate, BOSE sound system, so the sound system is really good. It also comes with the two-tone carbon black leather seats with the suede and the white stitching, S-Line sport seats, really nice sport seats. Like I mentioned before, it does come with the automatic headlights. Has a lovely S-Line flat bottom steering wheel, multifunction steering wheel with features such as voice control, Bluetooth hands-free, cruise control just there, gear shift paddles here and here with the automatic wipers and headlights just there. There's a cluster. I'll just show you the center console. As you can see, it's got the driving select mode just there, so there's efficiency, comfort, auto and dynamic on the 6.5 color display. You can change the sound system, so the treble, the bass. There's the radio, so there's AM, FM, obviously Bluetooth integration. There's media, which I'll need to pair my phone, which I can't do at the moment. So there's sat-nav navigation, working perfectly fine as you can see. Info, telephone, I'll have to pair my phone, so I can't really show you much on there. I'll just show you the rear parking aid. As you can see, front and rear parking sensors, just the driving select, stop and start, park assist. Also comes with air conditioning, plenty of different heated seats at the passengers and driver's side with 3 different settings working perfectly fine. Electronic parking brake, 12-volt plug socket, 2 cup holders, a lovely leather armrest with plenty of storage space just there. Really nice looking thing inside and outside of the vehicle. As you can see, it's got the rear privacy glass, electronic windows, BOSE sound system all the way around, storage compartment just there. Lovely two-tone carbon black leather seats with the suede, like I mentioned, ISOFIX seats, plenty of leg space. It's got an air conditioning unit just there and a 12-volt plug socket just there. Really nice looking thing, well looked after by its previous owner. Like I did mention, it does have a powered tailgate, working perfectly fine, no faults in the system, plenty of boot space, storage compartment. There's also a spare tyre just there and a storage compartment. There you go, everything working perfectly fine. I'll just press the tailgate button. As you can see, working perfectly fine, lovely vehicle. There's a final look of the vehicle. If you do need any more further information or pictures of the vehicle or information about your own part exchange or financing the vehicle, just give us a call or send us a message. Cheers guys.